And they tell us, okay, we're going to learn in the next section, which we do today, how it is we come up with this graph. They're just saying, okay, here's a graph. Identify the vertex on this graph. So you would be looking for which point? Right there, right? That's the vertex. That's where it changes direction, the lowest point on the graph. Okay. Now they're saying find corresponding points. Okay. By corresponding points, what they mean is, since we know that it's symmetric with respect to this line that goes right down the middle, right? That means that if I have a point P here, then I must have a point P prime, which is straight across, right? If this P is 1 to the left, then there must be a point 1 to the right because it's symmetric, right? If there's a point Q here, then there must be a corresponding point Q prime straight across, right? If this Q was 2 to the left, so 2 to the right, there's another point. It's very helpful when you're graphing parabolas to know that. Okay. So try, and this one, let's look at this one here. What's the vertex of the one in the bottom? This is coming from your book, so you can look at the bottom if you don't see it very well. What is the coordinate? What are the coordinates of that point, the vertex? Looks like it is 1, -1, right? So that is 1, -1, right? And if P is the point here, which I could tell that looks like -1, 3, what's the corresponding point? Meaning the point straight across the parabola. So, you know, there's the axis of symmetry, right? If there's P is 2 to the left, then there must be another point 2 to the right. What are the coordinates? Okay. So this is the P prime, and it looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 3. Right. What's the corresponding point to Q? Here's Q. Okay, if you go, you know, that's 1 to the right of the axis, so if we go 1 to the left, you're at Q prime is 0, 0. Okay, try to find those 3 points again. Here's the vertex, find the coordinates of the vertex and the corresponding points to P and Q. If you could see it or look in your book. What is vertex? -1, 2, looks right. -1, +2. What's the corresponding point to P? 0, 1, right? What is the corresponding point to Q? -3, -2. We get it? I mean, it's real important. Parabolas are symmetric. We use that.